everybody. Pat Taylor here with Triple T Realty. Today we are visiting Oviedo, Florida's crown jewel, Oviedo on the Park. There's so much family fun here. Most of it doesn't cost anything. So come along with us as we show you around Oviedo on the Park. So if you don't know Oviedo, let me tell you a little background. Oviedo is located just northeast of Orlando. It is known as the celery capital of the world. Next time you're in the grocery store, take a look at that bag of celery and see where it came from. Oviedo is famous for its free-range chickens. No, they're not to eat, they're just pets of the community. Oviedo has been named in several publications as the top 10 places in the country to raise a family. Family Circle magazine and niche.com included. So there's a little history. Let's take a walk around and look at everything there is to see at Oviedo on the Park. What a great place to enjoy a walk around the lake. Take a ride in one of the swan boats. It's great fun. Oviedo on the Park has its very own event center. Need a place to get married, host a community event? This is absolutely a wonderful place to do it. Attached to the community center is a little kind of mini stage with an outdoor viewing area for small productions or meetings. Oviedo on the Park has its very own amphitheater. It's a wonderful place to enjoy concerts and events in the evening. Bring the whole family out. So once you've done your tour of Oviedo on the Park or enjoyed a special event or a concert, step across the street. There are a myriad of restaurants for you to enjoy. De La Vega is one of our favorites. There's also a Panera Bread, Marlowe's Tavern, or Starbucks coffee for a quick treat. We hope you enjoyed this little mini tour of Oviedo on the Park. Remember, we're always here to answer your questions. Click the subscribe button to hear more from us. Hope to see you soon.